If you're searching for a genuine Hostinger review and a working Hostinger coupon code, this quick video will help you. Hostinger is currently running a solid promotion, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll receive an additional 20% referral discount automatically during sign-up. In this Hostinger review, what really stands out is how easy it is to use. You get fast loading speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light-speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which makes creating a website simple even for beginners. And if prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. The pricing updates instantly. Because of its pricing, features, and reliability, Hostinger is often recommended as one of the best web hosting options, and that extra 20% referral discount makes the deal even better. Tap the link below or scan the QR code.